So in this video, I'll show you how to download and install Adobe Illustrator 2025 from the official Adobe website, adobe.com, without using a credit card. Follow each step carefully to successfully complete the installation. You no longer need to visit any third-party or sketchy websites to download Adobe Illustrator. First, open Google and search for Adobe Creative Cloud Download. Visit the official Adobe website, usually the first link that appears. Download the Adobe Creative Cloud installer from the official site. Once the download is complete, run the setup file and install Adobe Creative Cloud on your system. You'll need to create a free account to use Adobe Creative Cloud. In the next step, enter your email address, set a password, and fill in all the required information to create your account. Creating a new account will also give you free AI credits for Adobe apps. Now, wait a few minutes for the Creative Cloud suite to install on your system. This may take some time, so be patient. As you can see, the installation has completed successfully, and Adobe Creative Cloud will open automatically. Always decline the installation of Adobe Genuine Service. After that, we no longer need Creative Cloud, so go ahead and close the application. Next, open your browser and search for Adobe Admin Console. Visit adminconsole.adobe.com and follow the upcoming steps carefully. If you're not sure how to use the Adobe Admin Console, you can watch another video on this channel for a full walkthrough. I already have credentials for this, so I'll simply log in. Once you're logged in, go to Packages, then select Pre-generated Packages. Now look for Adobe Illustrator. Download Adobe Illustrator using the link provided by the official Adobe Admin Console. The file is around 3.5 gigabytes, so ensure you have enough bandwidth and a stable internet connection. Once the download is complete, extract the zip file using WinRAR or 7-zip. Then run the setup file to begin the installation. Because of the large file size, the installation might take some time, so sit back and relax. Also, make sure your PC is compatible with the latest Adobe Illustrator 2025 version. As you can see, the installation has been completed successfully. Now, let's try opening Adobe Illustrator and check if it's working properly. To use Adobe Illustrator, you'll need a valid subscription. Alternatively, you can explore open source projects on GitHub that offer similar functionality, which I won't cover here as I know you're smart enough to figure that out. If you need any further assistance, feel free to join our WhatsApp channel. That's all for today's video. Like, share, and subscribe if you found this helpful. If you have any questions or face any issues, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.